Benny's farm friends. Benny is a little boy who lives on a farm with 3 best friends who help him do no harm. Whiskers the cat, Duke the dog, and Daisy the cow. Together they work and plant seeds to grow. Benny and his friends wake up early each day to tend to the farm and drive the blues away. They feed the animals, water the plants, and play. In the sunshine and fresh air they dance and sway. Whiskers the cat is sly and quick. She catches the mice with a flick and a trick. Duke the dog is loyal and true. He guards the farm and sees Benny through. Daisy the cow is gentle and kind. She gives us milk and is always on our mind. Benny loves his friends and they love him too. Together they work and make the farm shine through. In the spring they plant the seeds. In the summer they water and weed. In the autumn they harvest with glee. In the winter they rest and dream of spring to be. Benny's farm is a happy place where friends work together with a smile on their face. So if you ever visit Benny's farm, you'll see the joy and love that they all form. Benny's farm friends.
Continuation.
Benny's farm friends are always by his side, helping him out with a smile and a stride. They work together, play together, and rest. Their bond of friendship is truly the best. Whiskers, Duke, and Daisy are a team. They help Benny with every farm dream. From planting to harvesting, they're always there to lend a helping hand or offer a friendly care. Benny's farm is a place of delight where animals and friends work together in the light. So come and visit Benny's farm today and see the joy of friendship in every single way. In the fields of gold they work and play, Benny and his friends on a sunny day. Their laughter and smiles are contagious and bright.
How are you, friends? Do you want to join my family? Then subscribe to the channel, well, and like the videos, and then become my family.